Good morning and welcome to day 26 of van life. Today we woke up with the view again. It's still beautiful. Made some coffees, eating a cheese sandwich. Nothing too special for the morning. It's just sitting back, enjoying it, and we'll see what the day brings. Our first stop today is the Mount Cook Alpine Salmon Shop. And where are we going there?
It's like a famous shop. Don't know why.
And maybe we'll get some sushi or salmon, I guess. What a view for a salmon shop.
Yeah. Look how blue the water is.
Blue.
Do you want to get some sashimi for $14?
Smile. It's actually like a lot of different slices of sashimi. It's actually really good value.
It's really good value.
You could argue we literally just had breakfast, but
Had to be done.
had to be done. Why would you take the middle one?
I don't know. It's nice. It's cold though, so maybe leave it in leave it in the sun for a little bit. It's good though. It's cold, but we got a
view of Mount Cook as well. Unreal.
and a natural heater.
Hey.
I take it back. It's perfect in every way. It's heated up enough, and now it's perfect.
It's time to go for a swim in Lake Pukaki. Oh, god damn. What's the next plan?
Find another place to swim.
That time again. The money just goes. Finances are starting to look very rough for this trip. Very, very rough. But it's not over yet. So that was $1.85 per litre, which is pretty good. And it cost us $81 in total.
€44.55.
For a full tank.
That's good.
Very good.
And we're not paying accommodation in the evening, so it's like free.
Because we're just driving around Lake Pukaki, we're stopping at as many of the brown signs because they're like lookouts and stuff like that. And this is our first lookout.
Wow, look at it.
See Mount Cook booming over there. Whoa. The next stop we've pulled up is just on the lake. We tried not to beach the car. I think we did a good job.
Just that.
You want to get in the Glacier water?
I am not. It's actually, I've heard it's 8 degrees. That's 32 little degrees for me.
Bless her, look how peaceful it is. Ah, that's okay.
Is it cold?
No, it's really stones. Every further step is colder. Ooh.
That's normally what happens when you try to get in water. Okay, go on. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, good.
Yay!
Oh, I can't touch the ground here.
Oh, you can't?
No.
Oh, it's good that you know how to swim.
Oh, that's cold. At the start, that lake got really cold, but then after a while, because we didn't get that take in one go, it got quite warm. It was actually really enjoyable, and it was Shul's first time flying the drone. How did you enjoy that?
Oh, I hated it. I can see myself crash it, and that's the problem. Like, I'm not, I don't want to be anywhere near responsible for that.
Alright, we're at the second spot for today, which is a lavender farm. A lavender farm.
Lavender.
Lavender farm.
Lavender.
Shul's least favorite flower,
Yeah.
but woo! It's actually quite cute. Wow.
Lavender Reviosa. Wingardium Lavender. No, cut that out. I don't know what that was.
Do like a cutesy walk through it. I go like, yay! Love it. Love it.
Should we try and find a wine tasting?
A Wine tasting?
Yeah. It's reminding me of wine fields.
Let's go find some wine. Now we're gonna head to Twizel because Twizel. Now we're gonna head to Twizel because we can't camp in Mount Cook. So tomorrow morning we're just gonna get up early, go to Mount Cook, do 2 hikes, and then call it a day there. But
Show
for
my editing. Seen a lot of people take Instagrams, and I just know for sure that editing out this.
Yeah, 'cause it looks horrific.
It looks nice, but it's not
don't.
that pretty. So I was like, I'll give it a go. Just walk into the car for like 10 seconds. This is my original. Wait. And then this is how I edited it. Like, Instagram's fake, guys. It's fake.
Welcome to Twizel.
Twizel.
Maybe we can see some local Twizzlers. Oh yes. It's time to put all our practice. That was so fun. Some more pie reviews.
Not the freshest. But the filling is really good.
Better than Rankies or whatever his name was.
Burger. No, that's still my number one.
Oh. It's just not fresh enough. Other than that, the inside's bang. Came to the cafe, we spent about an hour just doing some work on the computer and stuff like that because we're very behind on everything we're doing. So time to get going, get this day back going again. Oh, that's the hottest this car's been in a long time. Ever, I think.
It's not that bad. Paddy's you're very extreme, but I found out your cousin is exactly the same. You're so
Can't do
extreme
hot.
about warm cars.
I don't like warm cars.
So even here, there was about 2-3 places that were looking for people. It's a very small little area. We've just seen it around New Zealand a lot that they're looking for people.
Everywhere seems to be looking for jobs.
Yeah, but we know that in Australia it's really difficult to get a job right now.
So,
No.
but if we can't get a job in Australia, we'll be raging because it would have been so nice to work in New Zealand, but we've already paid for the work and holiday visa. So if you've got a business in Australia and want to give us a job, we'll do it. Well, we've ended up exactly where we started. Back looking at Mount Cook. We decided it was probably the best place to be, considering we want to go back to Mount Cook tomorrow. And it's the closest campsite to it. Now it's time we chill. Shul had her turn yesterday. It's time for me to get a haircut. Alright, how we looking? Oh, it looks short. Oh, it looks very short. That's alright, I'll take that. I'm gonna let you know. Now it's time to fix the mustache. Now this is gonna be just the same as the last time. Just gonna use it. Well, that's gonna prove difficult. Use the mirror and the kitchen scissors. Here we go. The moustache is moustaching and the beard is looking smaller. What do you think?
It's nice. Yeah, the mullet is really mulleting at this point.
Simple dinner tonight, just making burritos again, same as yesterday. I'm absolutely battering cutting cheese.
See.
Look how good that looks, by the way.
Yeah, that does look like a little envelope of joy.
It's heat.
Yeah. Oh, a melted cheese. Wow. This one's a bit of a fatty.
Paddy for Paddy. Only 4 more episodes left.
Yeah.
Relaxed, sitting in the van now, and look at that sunset.
We'll clean up the dishes tomorrow.
Yeah, this is chilled, to say the least.
Chill spot.
Well, folks, I really hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And tomorrow we will see you for Mount Cook.
Folks.
Till next time.